The Importance of Investing in Our Lives, a two-level article. Life is full of choices. Every day we make decisions. Some decisions are small, some are big. One big decision is this: do I want a better future? If your answer is yes, then you must understand one thing. That thing is investing. Investing is very important in life. It helps us grow. It helps us improve. It gives us better days. Investing is not only about money, it is about time. It is about learning. It is about health. It is about people. When you invest in something, you give it your time, your energy, and your care. Later, you get something better back. That is why investing is a smart choice. Investing money, saving money is good, but investing money is better. When you save money, it sits in a box or bank. It does not grow fast. But when you invest money, it works for you. It grows over time. You can buy stocks. You can start a small business. You can buy a house. These are ways to grow your money. Ali is a young man. He works at a shop. He saves a little money every month. One day he learns about investing. He buys books. He learns more. Then he invests his money in a small online store. After 2 years, his money becomes double. He is happy. Now he teaches others how to invest. Ali's life changed because of one smart step: investing. Money is not only for spending, money is for growing. It is like a seed. You plant it, water it, and care for it. Later, you get a tree. The tree gives you fruit. The same happens with money, investing in knowledge. Knowledge is power. When we learn, we grow. When we grow, we succeed. Investing in learning is very important. You can buy books, you can take courses, you can go to school, you can learn online. All of these are smart investments. Fatima is a student. She loves computers. She watches videos online. She takes free lessons. Later, she finds a job in tech. Now she helps her family. She is proud. All of this started with learning. When you invest in knowledge, nobody can take it from you. It stays with you. It opens doors. It gives you new chances. It helps you earn more. It helps you live better. Investing in yourself, you are important. You are your best investment. If you take care of yourself, you will do great things. You should eat well, sleep well, exercise, think positive. These are also investments. When you feel strong, you can work better. You can think better. You can smile more. You can enjoy life more. Taking care of your mind and body is very important. It gives you energy. It gives you peace. Anna wakes up early. She drinks water. She goes for a walk. She writes in a journal. She reads a little. Then she starts her day. She feels calm. She feels ready. Anna invests in herself every morning, and her days are better. Investing time wisely. Time is like money, but time is even more valuable. When you lose money, you can get it back. But when you lose time, it is gone. So use time wisely. Use it for good things. Use it for learning. Use it for rest. Use it for family. Watching TV for hours is not always helpful. Playing games all day is not always smart. These things take your time, but they give nothing back. Instead, read a book. Talk to someone. Go for a walk. Learn a skill. These actions give you something. Sam works all day. At night, he plays games. He feels tired. He feels lost. Then he makes a change. He starts reading every night. He learns new things. He feels better. Now his time gives him value. Investing in relationships. People are important. Friends, family, teachers, neighbors. These people are part of our life. Investing in people means spending time with them, listening to them, helping them, loving them. When you invest in people, they also invest in you. They help you when you need. They make you smile. They make life sweet. Sarah calls her grandma every Sunday. They talk about life. They laugh. These calls are small, but they are full of love. They are full of meaning. This is an investment in family. Investing in dreams. We all have dreams. Some want to travel, some want to write, some want to start a business. But dreams need care. You must work for them. You must give time. You must give effort. That is also investing. Do not give up on your dream. Work a little every day. Learn. Practice. Try. One day you will see your dream come true, but only if you invest in it. Kevin loves to paint. Every weekend, he paints for 2 hours. He is not famous, but he is happy. His skills grow. One day he joins an art show. People love his work. He is proud. His small investment gave him big joy. Start small. Start today. Read one page. Save one coin. Take one walk. Learn one word. Every small act is an investment, and every investment brings a better future. Invest in your money, invest in your knowledge, invest in yourself, invest in time, invest in people, invest in dreams. This is the way to a happy and strong life.